Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to read and write a variable value to a text file in a storage account using ADF. Coming to my use case, I have a pipeline that processes data from different sources like databases and APIs. I need to write important information such as status messages, timestamps, results of calculation or error messages into a file. This is useful for logging, editing, or downstream processing. For example, let's say you are running a data pipeline that processes customer orders every day. After processing, you want to store the total number of orders processed in a text file for further reference or reporting. In simple, I have a variable, it has some value or an output from another activity, and I want to write the variable value to a file in a storage account. Okay. Okay. Let's implement this practically. Open the ADF. I will create a new pipeline. We'll name it as take the set variable. Go to settings. Create a new variable as test. And my variable name is vtest and it is of type string. Click OK and give some value. I'm giving the hardcoded value is to test from file. Okay, click OK. Now as I said, my requirement is to pass this value from this variable to a text file. So for that we'll take one copy activity and I'm connecting these two. So coming to source. So in this scenario, my source is not a file or a table. It's a simple message or a string value from the pipeline or from the variable. So to create a data set, I need a dummy file. Okay, I created one dummy file with a single column as a test column. So I will be using this dummy file as a reference and then I will calculate an additional column. Okay, let's create a data set. Yes, file. I'm using the existing linked service and browse source. I'm selecting this dummy file. First row has header, uncheck this, click OK. Just click on preview data. So we don't have anything in the file, so it's coming as a blank column. Click OK. And let's create an additional column. Click on new. I'm creating as vname and the value, add a dynamic content. We will be passing the variable value on variables tab. So vtest is our variable. Click on this, click OK. Okay. Next, we'll configure the sync. Let's create a new data set. We'll be creating a file in the storage account. I'm using the existing linked service. Click on the file browse. I will be saving the file in the target. Click OK. Click OK. Okay, again open the sync dataset. We need to give some file name. Thread file dot txt. Okay, and go back to pipeline and click on mapping, import schema. To validate it will, we need to provide some value for the variable. I'm giving it as a test. Okay, delete the first column, it's a blank one, and we'll be passing the variable name, the calculated column v name, to the column destination. Okay, validate, no errors. Let's debug the pipeline. We have rows read 1 and rows written 1. Okay, let's verify the file. Into container and target. Yeah, so converted file.txt. Yeah, this is the file. Click on this, edit. Yeah, so we successfully exported the value from the variable to the file. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.